Welcome everybody to this 2-minute techie tip on how to embed stuff into my Google site. Our goal is to improve teacher productivity and enhance student learning by focusing on communication, collaboration, creativity, and critical thinking skills in the classroom. So let's get to it and talk about how to embed things. So let's say I might want a page 3 on my page 3 here. No, actually I don't want to go to page 3. We're going to go back to home and we're going to say I want my calendar, a calendar on this page. So of course I'm going to have to edit this. I'll take this away and let's say I want my calendar smack dab in the middle. All I need to do, and of course I have to have a calendar created first, but Google brings everything together. They really love to make it all work. So I'm going to insert, since I want to insert something, I'm going to go to the Insert tab, and here I have a calendar option. This will bring up all the calendars that I have access to. So if you do not have access to a calendar and someone else created it, all they have to do is share it with you, and then you can embed that calendar into your website. So I'm going to put the iPad calendar on it, and it will ask me a bunch of questions to see how I want this to come out. I'm going to do the agenda view just because that's kind of interesting for people to see. Leave the width typically at nothing, empty, because then that will get it to 100%, and you can go through these and decide, and you can always change. So my calendar comes in as a gadget. That's what this little guy is called. I want to center that, and my X will delete it. To go back to the properties button, this is just where I was. That's what that little gear guy is. Whenever you see a gear, and if I click off of it, it goes away. If I click on the gadget, I get all of this stuff. So let's save. That's all it was. So my agenda will move it to being a view like that or like that. Alright, so let's say I wanted to embed. I'm going to edit this page and take away that gadget. Let's say instead of a calendar, I wanted to put a PDF or not a PDF, a Google document. I'm going to click the centering tool here so my cursor is in the center. I typically like to make sure I'm always centering things. Again, I want to insert a document. I'm going to go to my Insert tab, and I'm going to come over here to my Drive, and I'm going to look at Documents, and I'm looking for, I've got a Common Core right here, Common Core document, and I think this is 3rd grade Common Core. Again, I can just say, here's the title that will show, leave this empty for 100% width, center it. Here again is my gear button that will show me my properties. I can say save, and here I have Common Core embedded into this site, and I can scroll within it to see this. Now this is a Google document. We're going to do it differently to embed a PDF, and we're going to do that in I guess in the next screencast. So PDFs, remember, are just a smidge different from a Google document. It's easier with a Google document because Google likes Google documents. So I think that's it for embedding calendars, and documents would be the same way embedding things into our website. That can really make a nice, easy presentation for our visitors. So that's that topic. And remember that with technology we can remove the limitations of the traditional classroom and advance the way we teach and learn. So go out there and create, comment, communicate, collaborate, and think critically. Thanks for watching.